Today, I am going to show you exactly how to authorize Draw.io in Google Drive on this video on PMN Online. Let's dive into the specifics of authorizing Draw.io to access your Google Drive. This process is crucial because it allows you to seamlessly integrate Draw.io with your Google Drive, enabling you to store, access, and manage your diagrams efficiently. If you're someone who frequently uses diagrams for work, school, or personal projects, this integration can save you a lot of time and effort. To begin the authorization process for Draw.io with your Google Drive, you'll first need to navigate to the official Draw.io website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Start button prominently displayed. Click on this button to commence the process. What's great about Draw.io is that it doesn't require you to create an account or login, making it incredibly user-friendly and accessible. However, if you prefer to use it offline or as a standalone application, there's a download button available for that purpose. For those looking to authorize Google Drive specifically, sticking with the online version is ideal. After clicking this Start button, you'll be redirected to a new page where you need to select your preferred storage location. Here, Draw.io offers several options: Google Drive, OneDrive, your local device, Dropbox, GitHub, and JetBrains. This flexibility allows you to choose the storage solution that best fits your needs. In this tutorial, we'll focus on Google Drive. Select Google Drive from the options, and you'll be directed to click the Authorize button. This step is crucial as it begins the process of linking Draw.io with your Google Drive account. You'll then be prompted to log into your Google account, assuming you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions, which include entering your email and password. Once logged in, you have effectively granted Draw.io permission to access your Google Drive. Now, let's explore some of the benefits of this integration. When you're working within the Draw.io web version, you can easily import images directly from Google Drive. For example, if you want to add an image to your diagram, simply navigate to the Files section, select the Import option, and choose an image stored on your Google Drive. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to enhance your diagrams with visual elements stored in the cloud. Once you're satisfied with your diagram, exporting it is just as straightforward. Whether you need a JPEG or PDF version, simply click the Export button. You'll have various settings you can adjust to tailor the export to your requirements. After fine-tuning your settings, click Export again, and you'll have the option to save directly to Google Drive. This seamless integration allows you to keep all your files organized and easily accessible in your cloud storage. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to authorizing Draw.io with Google Drive to streamline your diagramming tasks. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to authorize Draw.io in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.